Hello everybody, welcome. I'm going to be showing you how to start up the King Air C90, and I'm going to show you how to start the engines on it. Okay, so when you're in, make sure you're in the cockpit view, and make sure you're in the cockpit view, and you wanna go down here. Let me go to that. And then you turn on this X power. You turn on this thing right here. You turn on external power, and then you turn on this. And then you'll see that the engine will start going on. Start turning on. Yeah. Now we're going to start the right engine here. You can just, so you see this thing where it says ignition and engine start. You want to set that on, and you can hear the engine starting up. It's very simple. And then you want to, I think this is the fuel thing. You want to turn that up to the max throttle here. Yeah, that should do. And if you want to turn the lights, actually, let me show you how to turn the lights at night time. Let me just quickly do that. Okay, so you want to go down here where it says lights. Yeah, the lights down here. And you want to make sure these are turned on. They've got the taxi lights, the ice lights, the navigation lights. I don't know what these recog lights are for. And beacon lights and strobe lights. Tail flood, I'm not sure what that's for, but yeah. Yeah. You can change the brightness. I don't know what that's for, but yeah. And yeah, it's very simple. Okay. Thank you guys for watching now, and I'll be doing some more videos about this soon, so bye bye.